this is Spectra, and today we're on to day 15 of the Chili's Hot Sauce Advent Calendar. Now let's get day 15 and open it up. Okay, it looks like today we got Mexican style hot sauce. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. Okay, got it open and let's see how it tastes. Tastes a bit like salsa. So it has a very good kick to it too. So now let's try with the chip. This is good size. Okay. Yeah, it tastes like it. Like how I like it. Yeah. Sorry, it tastes the same like if I were to dip a chip in salsa. So it's pretty good. So I give it an 8 out of 10. So yeah, just put that back in. That has been the Chili's Hot Sauce Advent Calendar Day 15. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for Day 16 coming tomorrow. And with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.